Are you working in Java, SQL, JavaScript, Python, PHP or family of C languages? Then this video is really made for you. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you are watching Conical Education. Today I'm going to speak about most sought out programming languages by the German employers, and I will also talk about best cities to work in Germany. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. You can subscribe to the channel below. You can also follow me on the social media pages such as Instagram, Facebook page. You can also join the Facebook group or Telegram group. So let's dive into today's video. Before we move further, I want to make one point very clear here that I have collected this data from multiple researches done in 2019 by some reputed companies, which means this data is not relevant until at least third quarter of 2020 due to slowdown. But definitely after September or in 2021, this data is really going to help you to find a job in Germany, to research where you want to move in Germany, in which technology you want to work in Germany. Here are the programming languages with the percentage of market share in the job market. Based on the research done in 2019, Java roughly captures 27 to 28% of the jobs in the job market for software programmers. So this is really a great news for the guys who are working into Java development. Second number has been taken up by SQL, which roughly takes about 20% of the share of the job market. And the third place has been taken up by the JavaScript, which holds around 16% of the jobs in the job market. Afterwards come C# and Python, each of which equally share 10% of the job market. PHP holds 8% of the jobs in the job market. In the last, C and C++ hold 7% of the jobs in the job market. Which city is best for me to move to Germany as a programmer? List has been toppled up by Berlin, which is a startup hub. You will find there small and medium level companies working there and delivering the products and services to the customers. On the second number comes the Munich, where you will find the jobs in multinational companies and big IT firms. Afterwards come Hamburg, Frankfurt, Stuttgart, Cologne, and in the last Nuremberg and Düsseldorf. Let me highlight you one surprising fact about applicants applying for the jobs in Germany. Most of the candidates target top 50 companies to apply for the jobs in Germany. However, they always ignore roughly 3 million companies working at the small and medium scale level. These small and medium scale level companies called as Mittelstand companies, and they hold the maximum potential of the software market in Germany. Which are the top states to work in Germany? These are ranked in the following sequence: Bavaria, Baden-Württemberg, North Rhine-Westphalia, Berlin, Hessen, and Hamburg. Let me put some more interesting facts in front of you. According to Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, 18% of the jobs in the job market are at the risk of digitization. You can definitely expect that this percentage of 18% digitization can be estimated to increase more as companies are getting used to more to work digitally, as employees are getting used to working from home, and companies are also able to save some costs if the employees are able to work from home. 75% of the working population is currently working in the service sector, which is a huge number. 24% of the working population is working into the manufacturing sector, and only 1% of the working population is working into the agriculture sector. So you can see where the opportunity stands for you based on your profile. According to a study published by Bertelsmann Stiftung, German job market roughly needs 260,000 immigrants to meet its needs in the medium and long term. In the light of aging society in Germany, it has been estimated that supply of labor in the market would shrink by 16 million people in the coming years. A study has shown that German labor market will roughly need 98,000 immigrants every year by 2035. Study has predicted that on average 146,000 migrants are required between 2018 till 2060 to support German labor market. Germany has amazing working conditions. You can watch this video for more details about the working conditions. Employees enjoy generous benefits and state mandated job protection. Germany is one of those countries which are paying highest salaries to the software developers in the job market. In addition, they are regulated working hours to work in Germany. This is all I have. Subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up below and share the video. Have a good day.